Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see chapter number 4, Moh Maya Unlimited. Before we proceed with the video, let me just remind this video is a work fiction created solely for educational and training purpose. All scenes characters are entirely fictional and not based on real individuals. Okay, any resemblance is purely coincidental. Okay guys, so let's start. So Moh Maya Unlimited. You must have seen various motivational gurus, and I'm talking here specifically about the scam gurus or the MLM experts, okay, who give you advice to quit your 9 to 5 job, and they sell you with a hope, okay, they sell you a course or a hope, okay. Paisa Le Lo, okay, they give you big dreams and ambitions, they put it in your mind, and the bottom line is they kind of ask you to quit your 9 to 5 boring job, and you can start your own business, or you can take up their own online course, and you can learn from them and you can start earning immediately. So they kind of sell you a hope, like get rich quick, okay. So you must have seen no some big seminars in 5-star luxury hotels with whatnot, and there are there is a huge lot of people, or there is lot of audience who is attending it. So they give you lots of hope there, make money fast online, around your hobbies and whatnot. Okay, so we'll take a deep dive into how this works. Okay, online course enrollment, a scam, where one of the courses can be the AI topic itself. So nowadays we are having a lot of AI courses. So they give you this kind of a course. Okay, they are teaching you AI and the stuff like that. Okay, not all of them are real. Okay, some of them are just kind of doing a time pass course, or it would just be a basic course. Okay, some of them giving you advice on how to do a startup, how to invest, a course on how to invest in crypto and automated machines and stocks and whatnot. uh, Buy courses and refer others, and you can get rich quick. Okay, a pure typical MLM scam. Okay, not all of them are bad. Okay, there are few which are real, okay, and which are really genuine and given or delivered by knowledgeable people. But most of them nowadays are really fake and are scam. So nowadays it has become very difficult to find out what is real, what is authentic, and what is not. Okay, so basically this is based on my observation how this things is working. So we are talking about only of the scams part, okay, the fake motivational gurus or the scam gurus, okay. So there are three types, okay, we can say. One is it's just a good advertise, there is no knowledge that is delivered. This is type 1. What is the aim? They just sell you course, they sell you hope. Type 2 is totally fake course. Okay, so basically what they do is they disappear after collecting the course fee. Okay, so today they have a website, they give you link. Okay, 100 people multiplied by let's say 10,000 rupees course. So okay, so as soon as people enroll, they pay the fees, boom, the next day the link is gone, the website is down. Okay, you don't know where that money went. So this is type 2. Then there is the type 3. Okay, so these are what we are talking about and focusing now. Okay, the type 3 just good to advertise, okay, and these are on paper. Okay, why? Because this is mainly to convert black to white. Okay, we'll see how the black to white is converted in this type 3. Okay, so if you have not watched my previous chapters, I request you to watch chapter number 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is chapter 4. Okay, so we know at the top there would be a person sitting with a cash. Okay, who has a lot of cash. In this case, the motivational guru himself, the scam guru himself. Okay, so basically he passed down that black cash below. Okay, so it basically it's his own team. Okay, so his own team kind of are shown as the students or the learners. Okay, so let's say he has 50 people in his team. So okay, so these are the same 50 students or his same team. Okay, who is shown as doing enrollment in the course. Okay, so basically it's the same team sitting here. They just kind of show that black income as a white income. We'll see how. Okay, so let's say we have a black cash, and that scam guru has a 50 lakh rupees black cash split and pass below. Black cash received 1 lakh each, so he has a gang or we can say a team of 50. Okay, 1 lakh course each. Now each of them will pay for that online course. Okay, 1 lakh. So this mode of payment is official, but they have actually received that one lakh cash under the table. So from transaction perspective, it appears that okay, they are doing the transaction, but in reality they have already got that black cash, okay, under the table. They are just showing as okay, 50 students have enrolled. These are the same 50 students who are working in his team. Okay, so it's the same team that they are working for. Okay, just on the paper it is showing as 50 students or 50 learners are belonging to the same team. Okay, so 50 lakh income. Okay, so inflated income, then followed by inflated expense. You show inflated expenses, pay the tax on the remaining amount. Okay, again, then roll in and repeat this process. This is how it works. Okay, so let's take an example here. Okay, so this is how a ledger book would look like. Okay, for them on let's say on 1st August. Okay, so to the sales account. Okay, so they are showing as income that 5 students have enrolled. Assume that the course fees is 1 lakh. So 5 students enrolled, 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs shown to sales account, and the 5 lakh is added to your bank account. Okay, so likewise the process repeats for the 2nd and 5th August. So you can see 5 lakhs here, some 6 lakhs injected over here, black cash injected 6 lakhs, then again 10 lakhs injected over here. So it's almost what, 21 lakhs being injected so far. Okay, so 5 students enrolled on so and so date, 6 students enrolled, and then 10 students enrolled. Okay, then what happens is they show kind of extravagant or hi-fi luxury expenses. Okay, to five-star hotel, seminar, AC halls. Okay, to accounts. So maybe 5 lakh shown as the expense because it was a five-star hotel. Okay, and obviously that will reduce your bank balance. And then media, photography, Instagram expenses. Okay, so these are few of them would be inflated expense. Okay, not real. Actual expense might be 50,000, 60,000, or maybe 1 lakh, but on paper it is shown as 3 lakhs. Then no, they themselves don't have anything. Okay, they no, only to show off. Okay, they kind of hire a few things. Okay, a BMW or a helicopter hired for a day. Okay, so 2 lakhs shown here as an expense. Okay, but no, to the people they talk about, okay, you guys quit your 9 to 5 job and start doing business, start doing this course, that course, so on and so forth. Okay, and you can see the DRCR balanced here smartly. Okay. So that is how the process looks like. Okay, the black cash, pass and split, show inflated income, show inflated expense. Make the payment, show inflated expense. Whatever amount is balance, again pass it back to the black cash account. Again, okay. So this process keeps rolling. Okay, and then what you have is you can also the scam gurus also target the real audience also. They show some real sales. Okay, and basically it benefits them only. Okay, so this is how this MLM, mainly the motivational scam gurus and MLM scams are working right now. I hope you like the video. We'll come up with some exciting more videos and chapters in the coming session.